Hey Ottawa, it's your friendly neighborhood John the Plumber here, serving you since 2006. Your reliable source for plumbing and drain solutions in Ottawa's West End. Want fast, friendly, and reliable service in Ottawa's West End for things like clogged drains, clogged toilets, hot water tank replacements, or sump pump installations? Then call John the Plumber. All of our plumbers are licensed, insured, and most importantly, friendly. All of our work is backed by our industry-leading 2-year warranty. From drain cleaning, sump pump installations, to hose bib replacements, it's all covered by our warranty. Need sewer repair? We specialize in sewer repairs and replacements in Ottawa's West End. Need new faucets or valves? We have top quality plumbing fixtures that are built to last. Need leaks repaired or pipes cleaned? Our team can repair your leaking pipes quicker than you can say, "Holy moly, my pipe is leaking." Need emergency plumbing services in Ottawa? Our team of skilled and professional plumbers are on standby, waiting to provide you with any solution to your plumbing problem. Day or night, Monday to Sunday, we are ready to provide you with exceptional plumbing service. Call us today or book online and save $20 on your booking. Returning customer, enjoy 10% off your bill thanks to our loyalty program. Want a quote? We'll provide you with a detailed and transparent and fair quote for the job at hand. If you choose us for the job, we'll waive your quote fee. Concerned about costs? John the Plumber offers competitive pricing and detailed quotes, plus easy financing options with Finance It. Enjoy soft, non-invasive credit checks and flexible payment plans, all without hidden penalties. With John the Plumber, you're choosing a trusted, local expert committed to quality and customer satisfaction. Join thousands of customers already experiencing peace of mind and exceptional customer service. Gracia said, "Many good things to say. We had an emergency situation and plumber arrived within the hour and replaced our toilet in timely manner." Karen said, "They were excellent at taking the time to assess and review with me all the options that best suited the home. Input was much appreciated." Joe said, "Had a leak in our upstairs bathroom. Super freaked it was going to be a huge deal. They showed up and calmed my nerves. Fixed the problem within the hour." Visit us online or call today to schedule your quote or consultation from our team of friendly and reliable professionals.